Hello friends, welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about AFOX Radeon RX 6000 series GPUs. So friend, AFOX has announced the 3 Radeon RX 6000 series GPUs include RX 6750XT and 6650XT models. And the 6650 models were first released by AMD in May 2022, making this update just over 2 years after initial launch. In total, there are 3 cards with 2 featuring the familiar pixelated design seen previously from the Chinese brand Radeon, and the design will be used from both Radeon SKUs. It equipped with 2.5 slot cooler housing, 3 fans, and requiring a single 8-pin power connector. And there are no factory overclocked version available for these models. And the third card is a dual fan design based on RX 6650 XT, and it includes a custom backplate and metal frame surrounding the GPU, and there is Thunderbolt on backplate located directly behind the GPU. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.